Бросайте вашу технику и уходите.
Drop your weapons and get out of here. Do not believe your commanders. Do not believe your propagandists. Just save your lives and go.
Уходите.
The smallest brother was killed, unfortunately. This boy has injuries of face and also injuries of spine. It's very difficult to say at this moment what is the prognosis, but we will try to do everything to save this child.
Most of the patients have been moved to the basement for safety reasons. There was another air raid siren just as we arrived. Now, doctors here say they have enough supplies for the moment, but the World Health Organization is warning that if the situation in Kyiv gets worse, oxygen supplies could start to run out.
I know all the dangers that we may face there on the road, and it's really, really dangerous for us. And I'll be frank, I'm scared, but I can see another way to escape. So we have to do this.
This is a residential area with no military objects, and people lived very close to this.